Skids are the precursor to pallets. The use of skids dates back to Mesopotamia times. Skids were used in factories in the late 1800s to transport goods. The modern day pallet got its shape during World War II. In 1945, Robert Braun filed a patent for a four-way pallet. When you add a bottom deck to a skid, it becomes a pallet. 48 by 40 inches is the most popular pallet size and can take a load of up to 1000 kgs. Most of the pallets are made up of wood, but these days pallets made up of plastics and other materials are also common. It is based on the industrial needs. Pallets help us to create unit loads and facilitate mechanized loading and unloading to achieve high throughput.